Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your messenger chat bubble not appearing problem. So if you're facing this problem, then the easiest way to fix it is by clicking on the three line at the top left of your screen and then by clicking on the setting icon. Now most of the time you need to scroll a bit down and your chat hits will be off. If your chat hits is off, that is the reason why you're not getting the message bubble. If you just turn it on and your problem should be fixed. And for iOS user, we don't have this feature. If you're an iPhone user, then iPhone doesn't allow Messenger to have this chat bubble feature on their phone. That's why Messenger has removed it for iOS. It's only available for Android. So iOS user can't do anything to make chat hits appear, but Android user can just turn the setting on and your problem should be fixed. And for some reason, if your problem is not fixed, basically your notification might be off. For that, just hold on your Messenger icon and click on app info. From inside app info, go inside notifications. From over here, click on settings. And from inside setting, you will see an on button. Probably your notification should be off like this. So just click on this and a notification will be on. Once your notification is on, your chat hit should appear. And if it's still not appearing, then just delete your messenger and reinstall it again. A bug might be causing the problem, so deleting and reinstalling it should fix it. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.